There were giants back then. There were giants in the mine or the height. Either way, the line is right. And you know, the islands abound. Sail around them, the world you could go around. And you could build a tower, pyramid power, align the hour, explode. Here comes the end, the gun, the earth, the time, it's gonna unload and rewind again. Come back in a circular cycle. Here we go, man, I might as well just have a bicycle. Mirror, mirror on the wall, can't you tell me what's gonna happen to us all? Will Mount St. Helens go again? What about Yellowstone? What about an asteroid? What about a cosmic blast? A gamma ray, octagon, what's going on? Hit the bomb, do another song. Keep the rhymes coming, keep the levels flowing. Every time I do it, it keeps coming back. Acapella rhyming, scheming, keep it on.